Guys, Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 and Grok AI is free, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually access Grok AI for free and use Seedance 2.0 for free on this website. Okay, and I'm also going to walk you step by step how the website work and how you can start generating your videos free of charge. This video you are watching right now was actually generated using this tool totally free of charge, and in this video I'm also going to be showing you how you can make videos like this totally free of charge without paying for anything and with no watermark. I'll implore you to watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss any part of this video. I'm going to be telling you the name of the website towards the end of this video, so do well to watch to the very end so that you don't miss any information. Without much being said, let's head right into it. Guys, this is the website we're talking about. Once you log into the website, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, it says Seedance 2.0 365 days unlimited. Okay, and all in one AI studio. Create video, image, audio and music in one unified workflow. Like, you can literally create your video, generate your images, your audio, your music in this platform. Okay, now a way you can actually use this platform free of charge is when you have different emails. Okay, I created these videos free of charge. Okay, I created these videos free of charge without switching to any email. Okay, but then if you want to create a full video, the credit you are going to be giving you in one email is not going to make you create a full video. So once you're done generating from a particular email, you can switch to another email, right? And guys, they actually give you 10 free credits every day. So you just have to be claiming, you just have to be logging to the website every day in order for you to claim your free credit, right? For you to get started, you need to click on this, your image icon right here, so that you can actually sign in before you can get started. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see AI video, AI image, AI audio, AI music. Okay, if you come down here, you're going to see Grok video. Yes, you can literally use Grok to create your video free of charge, right? You can see these are the other models they have here. They have Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Seedance 2.0 Standard, Clean 3.0. Like, all the amazing models are actually here. I literally created those videos with Grok AI free of charge. Okay, video 3.1 is actually here as well. Okay, and on this website you can literally create videos for as long as 30 minutes. Okay, but it is when you actually get the paid version you can get the one that you can create up to 30 minutes. And the amazing thing about this website is that their videos are so crispy, guys.
Oh no, I forgot to send that email for the meeting.
Alex, I've got it. What's the email about? Q3 projections. Make the subject urgent.
Done. AI saver. Dude, the food's gone again. Did you eat it? What? No, I haven't seen it. Maybe you ate it. Me?
So for you to get started, all you need to do is to click on this.
Okay, I'm filming you.
Lines here.
Oh, service, send ready. Whoa!
Okay, once you click on the 3 horizontal lines, you're going to come
that's
to
hilarious.
this interface. Okay, and then these are the models, like I've said. So click on, if you want to generate image, click on AI image. Okay, so this is AI video. You can generate AI video, you can generate AI image. So let us quickly create a video right now so you can see how it works. So I'm just going to tap on AI video, and then once you tap on AI video, choose your model. Okay, you can choose Seedance 2.0. I'm just going to go ahead and choose Grok. Okay, so once you click the Grok, you're going to be welcome to this interface. Just scroll down, ensure it is in AI video because you're trying to make a video, right? And then my Grok is actually highlighted here. My Grok is highlighted here, and then this is your prompt box where you can input what you want your video to see. So I'm just going to be doing a text to video kind of generation. I'll just go to ChatGPT and copy my prompts because I have prompts here already. A realistic cinematic video of two young Americans inside a modern gym. One guy confidently tries lifting heavy weights to impress his friend, but immediately struggles and almost falls over. His female friend laughs while... Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it in this prompt box here. Okay, so if you come down here, select your aspect ratio. I'm just going to select 16 by 9, or I'm going to select 9 by 16, and then you come down here, select your duration, just drag it to where you want your duration to be. Remember, the amount of duration you are choosing will determine the amount of credit you're going to be using. Minimize your credit before you switch to another email. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this at 10 seconds. Now I'm going to scroll down, leave it at 480p. Okay, because if you choose a higher dimension, you're going to pay more. So this thing I'm generating now is going to be generating with 11 credits, because I'm using 10 seconds. If I reduce it now to 9 seconds, you can see the credit have reduced to 10 credits. If I reduce it to 6 seconds, it have reduced to 7 credits. So I'm just going to leave it at 10 seconds, and then I'll hit generate. You can see it says your video request is queued, and the amazing thing is that it doesn't even waste time. Like, it does not waste time. Okay, like, you're going to see how amazing this website is. Like, less than in a minute your video is going to be generated. Guys, our video is ready, so I'm just going to play.
All right, watch this.
Okay, I'm filming you.
Oh, sorry, send ready. Whoa!
God, that's hilarious.
All right, watch this.
Okay, I'm filming you.
Oh, sorry, send ready. Whoa!
God, that's hilarious.
So guys, you can see the lip sync, the clarity, the video is so clear, and the lip sync is so perfect. Okay, so once your video is done generating, just tap on download to download your video. So I've just downloaded the video. Guys, the name of this website is RSWAI Studio. So if you go to Google, just type RSWAI Studio, okay, or just type, okay, and it's going to, just once you get to Google, you're going to see the logo. You can see the logo, the blue logo beside the RSWAI Studio. That is how you're going to know the website. Okay, you're going to see this whole interface, and okay, always ensure you log into the website every day. You're going to be getting 10 free credits. Now imagine logging into the website every day for 1 week. Okay, 10 times 7. Okay, you're going to be getting 10 credits every day, and you can literally use
leave it at 7
create
seconds.
a whole video or 2 or 3 videos in a week,
Generates
free of charge on this website. For you to, you just have to be accumulating your free credits, right? That is if you don't want to go for the paid plan. And you can also go for the paid plan. It's just with as low as $4 dollars, you can actually get the paid plan, right? But then if you log into the website every day, you're going to be getting 10 free credits, and the moment you sign into any new email, you're going to be getting 20 credits. And you can maximize your credits by working with Grok on this website. You can also work with Seedance 2.0 standard on the website, but you're going to be using higher credits than when you work with Grok AI. Okay, and that's why I focus more on using Grok AI on this website. All of those videos you watched right here, I did them for free using Grok on this website. Okay, so yes, if you are a Grok lover, you can actually use Grok as well on this website for free without paying a huge amount of money on the main Grok website. All right, I don't know if this actually makes sense. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have new videos, you're going to get notified. You can do well to check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos that is going to benefit you, and also have other free updates you can actually check out for. So these are all their plans here. Okay, they have the 0 plan. Now you can see they even have the $4 plan. Okay, they have the $4 plan, and you're going to be given 5,000 credits. Okay, and then the next one is then followed by that $35 plan. But then I've shown you how you can use it for free, use different emails and all of that, and you are good to go.